You like the difficult part getting it out, yeah?
So no, it's actually not that hard at all. Oh look, it comes with its own Teflon tape. So yes, it does have something that, and yep, she'll fit. Okay. Let's do this.
Swivel off the old one. Swivel. Pull off the old tape. No.
Actually, this is the it's the old gaskets and stuff. They were all stuck up in there. Now I'm pulling off the old tape. It probably wouldn't hurt if we've got like a Brillo-y type pad. Another old gasket up in there. Oh!
It was in the hole.
Uh-huh.
Wait, what's the right tool for the job?
The one you got. Technically, it's not going to hurt to actually leave the old stuff on here if we did. Just put the new stuff right on top of it. But while I'm here, I might as well do it right. Yeah, we're going to call it good enough.
We get in the truck and I'm like, where's the tape? I'm like, I know enough about plumbing to know that there needs to be tape.
It's kind of funny. It's like, I wonder if we put it on this one.
Did it show in the picture?
Oh, it goes this way. I've seen this thing at Lowe's before.
But what are the odds that Lowe's put it on right?
Because one of the ones you got to get it, this one requires you to get it at the right angle. So, this we're a little bit looser, play with it. So this is going to require some experimentation.
As he puts it on, it does it right the first time.
There we go. Maybe you can reach it. I don't think you can.
I don't need to reach it.
Okay. In theory, she's just out. Okay. Because she's pretty tight, and I don't want to over tighten. But we'll see if a little bit of extra will do it. Still got a little bit of a drip. Kind of curious.
Whoa! That is quite a...
is like a standard one, but we can angle it down. So there's all your things that it does. So the question is, do you like those?
I don't know until I try it.
It's gotta be angled down though for.
Oh yeah, it can be angled down.
Pacemaker.
Okay, let's see.
That was some crazy waterage.
Oops.
Whoop.
A little bit. That's as low down as it goes right there.
Right now, it's
So there's like real shower mode.
Leave it there.
But technically I can take it back off, put more tape on and put it back on.
Just leave it like that.
yeah, it's okay.
Your work here is done.
Our work here is done.